welcome back to our channel, Silly and Rose. We have just checked in. We had a quick change. We haven't had a shower yet, and now we are going to this dog cafe, Samoyed cafe actually. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. This is our first time as well to go to this cafe, so we are excited to see what's in there. Yeah.
And don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe, like, and share.
See you later.
See ya. So this is where we put our shoes here, and they give you, they borrow your sandals there. Check that out. So we are at the pet cafe at the moment. Aww. Okay. So there's a place here to put our coat. Alright, so we are at the pet cafe. We tried. Oh my god, that one is so cute.
Don't let it do.
Huh? What? What is it? So adorable, this one. Okay. Got those doggies there. We haven't got the treat yet, so that's why no one are coming to us. No one want to come to us. There are quite a few dogs there, but they don't really want to come to you unless you have the treat. So yeah, it's a bit tricky. There's another one there. Thank you. Hey! Is there any more, Abby? We have this little sitting area at the back here, and then a place here to hang your jacket. And now we are going to see the cat. There's a cat room too here. Come on, let's see. Let's see. Where are the cats? Yeah, I know, I told you.
Close the door.
I think this one, the grey one, that's the cute ones.
Okay.
They're sleeping. I'm gonna...
That's why I don't like cats.
Oh wow. Okay, so they also have a toilet here at the back. So we just had a fried chicken. Yeah, Izzy?
Chicken and beer.
Yeah, at BBQ chicken and beer. And what else did we have?
We had pizza.
Had pepperoni pizza. It's a different type of pizza. It's quite
It was
thick.
really thick.
Yeah, but the kids love it. And now we are going to a
Supermarket.
supermarket just to get some stuff for tomorrow morning.
Because
breakfast.
for breakfast.
And we're going back to the hotel after that because we are super tired. I didn't get to sleep at all in the plane.
Didn't get to sleep at all.
Yeah, and I think Izzy only slept for 3 hours. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're extremely tired. We taking it a bit easy today, but we will be back tomorrow for more exciting things, right, Izzy?
Yep.
Yeah, so see you for now, and
Don't
good
forget
night.
to
Yes.
Good night.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Like and share.